Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim, and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some excellent fuel efficiency, and coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have spacious seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any of the cargo. And then in the middle, you do have a 12-volt USB and USB-C, as well as two flip-out cup holders like so. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat and power adjustable pedals. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your fuel economy, trip 1 and 2, eco coach, auto start stop status, and you're now playing. Then you have your truck info with your tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine information, and seat belts. You have your towing info, navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, with dynamic hitch view so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, camera view again, hazards, hill descent assist, and traction control shut off. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here with dual zone front climate and heated front seats so you can stay cozy in the colder months. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer Backup Controller, Trailer Brake Controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, eco, and sport mode. Then in the opposite direction, you have slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and rock crawl mode. So you have quite a few options there for changing up your driving experience a bit. Then moving on to the right, where you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, as well as this compartment up here for more storage. And moving down, you have a 12-volt, another 12-volt, and USB and USB-C, as well as this shelf where you can put your device while it's charging or something like that. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have two cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside, but then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, while also having another lockable compartment underneath for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.